Hey guys, Superbuck Hunter 14 here. Okay, today I got my package from the MD Outdoors. So we're gonna open it up and see what we got inside. Alright, got us a tackle box. So we're gonna open it up and see what all we have inside. Alright guys, everything was kind of tangled up in the packaging. So I got everything untangled and we're going to continue on with the unboxing. So first thing we have here is the Skitter crankbait. I think that this is in old school color. Top water bait. Another crankbait. I think this one is in red eye shad with blue back. Another crankbait. I'm not sure on the color on this one. I think it's Saxy shad, but I might be wrong on that. Another crankbait. We have a black and blue triple blade top water buzzbait. Another top water buzzbait. We have a top water frog, rattles in it. Here we have a top water popper. Blue and silver spoon. Black and blue. I think this is the black and blue chatterbait. Crankbait. We have a top water frog and another top water frog. Crankbait. This one here is another crankbait. Doesn't have rattles. Another crankbait. top water popper. Spook lure. I think that this one is a rainbow trout. That's what it looks like to me anyhow. There might be another name for it. But yeah, looks like a really good lure. Golden spoon. It's the same thing as the blue and I think it was silver, except this is just in gold. We have 3 buzz baits, topwater buzz baits. We have a pack of Yum, Muddy Bug, Mama Bug, or Bamba Bug. Mighty Bug and Green Pumpkin. And Show Crawdad. Also have a box of panfish swim baits. Really looking forward to using these. And a pack of Zoom Ridged mini tubes. Thank you for adding these in. These are really going to be a nice collection to the tackle box. Also came with 2 stringers and a pack of barrel swivels, quality 7, size 14. And we got a red-eye shad blueback with rattles. So yeah, go check out the MD Outdoors channel. He has a really cool channel, and yeah, go check it out. Subscribe to him.